So the Sony Xperia XZ4 is a complete different approach by the company. It admires a 21:9 aspect ratio display that has become a reason to consider this device, as it offers you a next level video experience. Not only that, Sony is working on the camera system of this smartphone that has got leaked in a new report. According to this information, the XZ4 will feature an insane 52 megapixel primary sensor. And to follow the same market trend, Sony will introduce a triple rear camera system that includes a 16 megapixel telephoto lens, 52 megapixel primary lens with f1.6 aperture, and the very new TOF lens. When we look at the theory of this camera system, the 52 megapixel lens is the highest megapixel count on any smartphone right now. Also, it's capable of great low light performance. Additionally, the 3D lens present here is gonna be the most interesting part of this story. For those who don't know, this type of lens is capable of producing great bokeh effects, as it's something that can deal with depth sensing, which is the most important side of portrait shots. We're gonna see a couple of smartphones with the 3D package at least by the end of the first half of 2019. So it will be interesting to see how this thing stands in the market. At the same time, the 52 megapixel lens is going to combine multiple pixels into one, so that you can get a clear picture that should be somewhere between 10 to 12 megapixel count. The most important factor is software to decide whether you get a great photo or not. I'm actually expecting a proper camera implementation, as the company is known for this aspect. Well, after that, the Sony Xperia XZ4 will have all those upgrades that you expect from a smartphone in 2019. It runs on the Snapdragon 855 chipset coupled with 6 gigs of RAM, and unlike any other Sony smartphone, this could pack a 4400 mAh battery. It's something that sounds good, but if you just look at the thickness and the weight of this device, I'm not totally sure about this. Also, Sony is not popular for the battery aspect, which is the most critical factor of any smartphone. But keeping that to a very hidden zone, I hope for the best, as this particular smartphone sounds great, and after some couple of years, Sony is finally taking care of the smartphone lineup. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.